Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order together on the Wolt Delivery application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the discovery restaurants or search icon and select a restaurant from which you would like to order. Then you should scroll down and tap on the order together section. Tap on start now. Here you can add the group name. To the top of the page here you can select an icon to create a group. Select from these options delivery or pickup. Select your address and then you can set the time as soon as possible or schedule it for later. Then tap on the create group button down below. Tap on done to invite your guests. Then you should select the products that you would like to order. Tap on the plus icon, tap on view order, and basically that's it. Go to checkout and then you can invite your partners. As you tap on this selected icon you can see the delivery and the instructions for the delivery man. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.